Hello.
Hi.
Hey. Hey, little buddy. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna pay you.
Oh, no, you're fine.
Okay, I don't want to.
No, ma'am. Not at all.
I don't have my card.
That's okay. I can
Deontay, hello. Are you gonna help? Can you figure out what I can do?
I can send him a payment link.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna
Take your time.
see if my mom can just pay something. You said 85, right?
Yeah, but I see you're having a bad day, so I'm gonna do a little special today. I'm gonna do pick your